So, as you can see, we have this silver fidget spinner, which I've done. We did the spray paint in my brother's place. We got this in the flea market, and they had most of these actually were the best kind that we saw. Yeah, these fidget spinners are like legit. You can't get them. For my brother, his only cost, $3. Comment right down below and say fidget spinner and say not that one. So get out my first fidget spinner that I got. This was the one that I got. It's very aerodynamic. It spins longer than the big one. Yeah. Alright, so let me show you one. Okay, that is not like an ordinary fidget spinner. So first, yesterday I said it was fake, right? So after I said it was fake, I tried it out. And it lights up.
Button at the end.
I pressed it and it lights up. I don't sorry for the poor quality that you can't barely see it, but yeah, hold up, let me fix something right now. Yeah, so I can press. This has a button like it. No other fidget spinner is like this. Like we have a button in the bearings. Like it has nothing to do with that. So look, I turned one off. And it powers. Look. Did you see that? Like, yeah. So, that's our fidget spinners, and I hope you enjoyed. Share the love, share the peace. Woo!